Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily fix screen flickering on your LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3. So let's start off by going into the settings. Now go to display, and here make sure that your brightness is adjusted good. It's not too low and it's not too high up. So now after you checked it, make sure to disable the adaptive brightness, as it can cause the screen to flicker. Now if it's still flickering, then I recommend downloading the screen dimmer app from Play Store, and I'll show you guys the process. So go to Google Play. Now here, go to search and search for screen dimmer OLED saver. Now as a result, we'll get this app as the first place. This is the icon, as you guys can see. Now let's click install. And now all we gotta do is wait for it to install. It's like 2 megabytes, so it's pretty fast. Let's head over and click open. Now we need to grant a lot of permissions to the app. So I know that this app is safe, so I'm not worried about anything. We just have to use the screen dimmer. Click on allow here. Now let's leave, and now we need to grant permissions. Now let's click the check mark, and here we can enable the screen dimmer. So now our screen is dimmed a lot, as you guys can see the difference. And if it still didn't work, then what you guys can try to do is check for software updates. So go over to the settings now. Here we need to go to the about tablet at the bottom, and here we need to click on system update. Now it will check automatically for the latest version. As you guys can see, I'm running the latest version of the OS. So if you don't, then that might be the issue of your screen flickering. I recommend you guys updating it as fast as possible. And if the issue is still here, then as a last resort, you guys can try and reset your tablet. So let's start off by going to general settings. It's almost at the bottom too. Now let's go to backup, and here we need to enable the backup by Google One and click backup now. If we do and the device will back up fully, go to reset options. Now here choose to erase all data, and as you guys can see, it will basically delete everything from our internal storage from the tablet. So basically it's a Google account, the downloaded apps, personal information, and the Google accounts, everything. So after that, click erase all data right here, and it will go back to when you first got your tablet. So if the issue is still here even after the factory reset, then I recommend you guys visiting the Lenovo customer support and telling them that your screen is flickering and see what they can do about it. So that'd be it. If this video was helpful, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.